Good morning, boys and girls. Let's do our phonics lesson now. And before we get started with our phonics lesson, we are going to review our vowels. Now, let's review our vowels. What are their names? There's A, E, I, O, and U. Now, let's all stand and sing our short vowel song. Ready? Together. A says a, E says I says I. O says U says I know my vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now, something we've also learned recently is that our vowels can say the long sound. A long sound. Very good. Let's put this here. Bring it a little closer. So A says A as in acorn. A says A. E says E as in eagle. E says E. I says I as in ice. I says I. O says O as in overalls. O says O. U says U as in ukulele. U says U. So let's turn this on the back and let's say we know this is a smiley face, so it has the short sound, and this is the long sound. So it's going to say his name. We ready? When I point to it, we're going to say the sound. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. Now on my board, I have some words, and we are going to break these words down, sound them out, and we're going to go over our vowel rules. Now, let's review the first one together. Consonant, vowel, consonant. When there is one vowel in the word, it usually says the short sound, and we mark it with a smile. Consonant, vowel, consonant. How many vowels does it have? It has one. So we mark it with a smile. Now, what blend is that? Gas. Gas. Very good. Now, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. How many vowels does this have? 2. That is correct. So let's say the rule. When there are 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel says the long sound and the second one is silent. So we slash it. Very good. So let's say this blend. Gay. Now remember, we only say the V sound because the E is quiet. He's silent. Gay. Gave. Very good. Consonant, vowel, consonant. How many vowels do we have? 1. Very good. When there is one vowel in the word, it usually says its short sound, and we mark it with a smile. So let's say this blend together. Get. Very good. Now let's go to the next one. Consonant, vowel, consonant. How many vowels do we see? 1. Very good. Now let's say our rule. When there is one vowel in a word, it usually says the short sound, and we mark it with a smile. Now let's see, what is this blend? G. Gum. I know someone in my class that likes to chew gum. Okay. Now we've said the short vowel sound 3 times now, so now it's up to you to tell me the short vowel rule, okay? How many vowels do we see? 1. So what do we mark it with? A smile. Very good. Let's say this blend. Le, t, le, t, let. Very good. Let's look at this one. How many vowels do we see? Consonant, vowel, consonant. I see 1 vowel. So do we mark it with? A smile. Very good. Okay, let's say this blend together. Le, g, le, g, le, g, leg. Very good. Kind of, there's a shadow, a light, reflection you can see. Now let's look at this word. Let's count it together. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. I see 2 vowels. So we've only said this rule 1 time, so let's say it. When there are 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel says the long sound, and the second one is silent, so we slash it. Good job. Let's say this. Lie, v, live, v, live. Now let's say this last word here. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. How many vowels? 2. When there are 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel says it's long sound and the second one is silent, so we slash it. What blend? Lie, lie, line. See, we drew a line. Okay, since we've said each rule 3 times, I am going to let you tell me what's left. Let's see this one. Consonant, vowel, vowel. How many vowels do we see? 2. So we mark the first one. How do we mark the first one? With its long sound. And the second one, does it say anything? It's quiet. C, C, C. There are a lot of fish out in the sea. Consonant, vowel, consonant. 1 vowel, mark it with a smile. Let's say the blend. Sa, sa, Sam. Sam I am likes green eggs and ham. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. How many vowels? 2. When there's 2 vowels, the first one says the long sound and the second one. So good job. Let's say this blend. Say, say, save. Our last word for today. You guys are doing a great job. I know this is a lot. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. How many vowels? 2. The first one and the second one will be say this blend. C, t, C, t, seat. How about this? Sam will save a seat. Good job, guys. So happy. Friends, we are now starting our math or numbers time. And on your own, I want you to make sure you are counting to 100 and count by ones, and count by tens. I know you can do this, and I know you love looking at Jack Hartman and doing all those things too. So, since I know you're going to do that by yourself, we are going to talk about numbers that come before, in the middle, and after. We're going to review addition, and we're going to see what's more and what's less. Okay, let's get started. You ready? We have some numbers up here. I have the number 8, 5, 10, and 12. And I also have this monster truck, so let's move this out of the way for a minute. So what I want you to do, I want you to tell me what comes before 8. I'll let you stop and think for a little bit. 7. 7, 8. What comes after 8? 9. There's a silly, silly joke that I'm going to tell you, and you can tell it to your parents. Do you know why 6 was scared of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. I know you probably don't get it, but that's okay. Okay, now we have the number 4. Oh, Miss Jessica's so silly. What did she do? She messed up. Miss Jessica messed up. Okay, we have the number 5. What comes before the number 5? 4. You're right. Very good. What comes after 5? 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay. This is our number 10. He is the father of the teen family. But what comes before 10? 9, 10. What comes after 10? 11. Very good. Okay. And 12. 12 is part of the teen family. And how do we know that? Because it has a 1 in front. Very good. So what comes in front of 12? 11. 12. What comes after 12? 13. Very good. Let's look at this and count. Look. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Okay, now what we're going to do is talk about addition. We talked about it yesterday. Not yesterday, Miss Jessica's so silly. We talked about it the other day, about addition. And that's when you have one number plus another number equals another number. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 finger plus 1 finger equals 2 fingers. Okay, now I want you to remember this is our plus sign and this is our equal sign. So remember our equal sign and remember our plus sign. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some numbers. The first number I have is 5. 5. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So that means we're going to have 5 of something plus 1 of something. Whoa. Okay, we are going to finish talking about our addition. And my friend Doug, you know my friend Doug, he came to help us. Remember, this is our plus sign. And our, what sign is this? Equals. Equal sign. Very good. So we're going to take our first number, which is 5. Put it right here. 5 plus 1 equals, what does 5 plus 1 equal? 5 plus 1, how many do you think that is? Count.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good.
This is number 1.
It is. So 5 plus 1 equals 6.
I'm sure
Okay.
on my bottom
In just a minute. Just a minute. So let's see what 5 is. So we know what 5 fingers, what 5 fingers looks like. But let's look. We have 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's kind of hard to fit all of them on my hand. 5 cars. That's a lot. Plus 1 equals 6 cars, right?
That's a big car.
Yep, and this is 1 big car and 5 little cars. Now, which one's more? Is the 1 truck more or is the 5 little cars more? The 5 little cars. That's more, right? Even though this is bigger and this is smaller, there's still more little cars than there are big cars. So what else can we do? What else can we pick 5 of? I have, look.
Baby green.
I have one. This is a paper clip. It's a funny, fuzzy paper clip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fuzzy paper clips. 5 fuzzy paper clips. And 1 flower clip.
I got the candies.
How many more do I have? I have 5 plus 1 equals 6 clips. But which one's the most? The paper clips? Yes, the paper clips are the most. Doug's got one more thing he wants. Oh, look, he found candy. Let's see. He's got one red one. So 1 plus 1,
They turned 2 white ones.
2,
2 white
3,
ones. 2 white ones.
yes, 4, 5. So he's got 5 plus 1 equals, how many does he have?
5.
No, 5 plus 1 more equals 6.
What?
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 candies.
Now take it out. Eat all
Because you
that.
have to, and now he wants to eat all the candies. He's going to have cavity bugs if he doesn't brush his teeth, right? Okay, friends, I want you to go and explore, see what God had given us, and show me some things that you can count and add together. Okay? All right. See you guys later. Bye. We are going to start our writing time. And first, I want to apologize about my shadow. Look, you can see my shadow. You could probably do like a silhouette. Wouldn't that be so cool? Maybe that's a craft that you could do at home. That would be so much fun. And then you could try to cut it out. Oh, that would be neat. So sorry about that. Just the way the lights are in here. Okay, we're going to do our writing lesson. And if you remember, look at our house. Remember our house? We have upstairs, downstairs, basement. Okay, this is our upstairs. This is our downstairs. And our letters, they sit on the pink carpet. And this is our basement. There's only a few letters that live in the basement. Remember that. But they all sit, every single one sits on the pink carpet. Now, when you're starting to write your names, which I know some of you are, we're not going to have red dots anymore, so we're not going to know to start at the red dot. Okay? But Miss Jessica, she is going to do her name, Jessica. So let's do this together. And I want you to do your name at home. Okay? I start with a J. Sits on the pink carpet. E. S. S. I. Little dot. C. A. Now I want you to take your time at home and do your name, and make sure you try to do your letters that go upstairs and downstairs and any that might go in the basement, but remember they all sit on the pink carpet. Do we need to sing the song? Let's sing the song for your parents. Okay, everybody stand up. Ready? Upstairs, downstairs, in the basement. Upstairs, downstairs, in the basement. Upstairs, downstairs, in the basement. That is where our letters live. Okay, friends, happy writing.